So I was originally going to do a hardcore workout for the weekend, but my Achilles, whatever that thing is right there, is hurting. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some abs today and we'll try and kill it in that department. So come on, let's do this. That was a good ab workout. My abs are dying. I'm dripping. So glad I have that fan. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.